I wish we could start off 2023 with the first startup of our 97 GSX with a side exit. We're almost done with the turbocharger. We almost got it 100% bolted in. We still got miscellaneous things. But for 2023, the first startup is going to be the Supra. I love this car. This car is so stupid. Hold on, wait for it. Got a mess going on. Engine oil service required. You see, the problem is this light's been on for a couple thousand miles. And well, we're gonna break something. We better go home and change the motor oil right now. The Supra is such in need of an oil change, and honestly that's what we're probably going to be doing today. We got some liquid moly. We're upgrading to 5W40 because honestly the oil that's required is 020, and that's so freaking thin. We have an upgraded pure 800 turbocharger, and honestly we run the car super hard, so obviously 540 oil, a little bit thicker oil, is going to be just a tad bit safer. We went down to Toyota and got an actual OEM oil filter. Let me just start off this video with saying thank you to all of you guys that hit the like button, comments on the videos, and all 5,400 and something of you subscribers. I want to say thank you so much. You guys made 2022 such an experience on YouTube for me. I can't even describe how thankful I am for you guys, and you guys are truly amazing. And I want to say thank you because in December of 2022 we hit a video that has over 165,000 views. Without you guys, that wouldn't have been possible, and honestly, it's such an amazing experience to see something like that because I'm just a guy filming in my garage. And obviously I love cars. I love sharing these things with you guys, and you know, sharing the Supra, the Duramaxes. We have the Evo X still, we got the RSX, the GST that's still broken, the black Duramax, the gray GST that's not here, which we're bringing back. You know, all these cars, it's fun for myself, but you know, in order to share them with other people like you guys, I mean, that makes all the difference. Recap 2022, we almost hit a 9-second pass. We hit a 10.4 at 148 miles an hour. In the GSX, and now this was on the small turbo, which is the Halstead HX40, and we blew up the T-case on it. Since then we upgraded to a G42, which is an 80mm turbocharger capable of 1,500 horsepower. Now it's an aluminum R&R built motor that we did right here in this garage. Videos in the past. Now we're hoping for a 9-second pass this year. That's the goal for 2023, and that's kind of what I want to talk to you guys about is goals. Now here's to 2023. We're gonna go bigger, faster, better, but there's something that I want to talk to you guys about that might change a little bit. You guys know that I used to be an automotive mechanic, and I loved what I did for 10 years. It's just I wasn't happy, and you know, something that you guys have to fully be is happy with your job. And I wasn't 100% happy, and I made a change, and honestly you guys, I found passive income, financial intelligence, and one thing for 2023 is I want to teach you guys just a little bit more in depth on what this is because it's something super important to me, and honestly I love filming the cars. It's given me the opportunity to do this, to film the cars, to buy a Supra, you know, to make more experiences with you guys, and I really want to share the process, not just the results, because everybody you see online, I promise you, when they post real estate stuff or how to make money or anything like that, they're always going to show you the results and never the process. And honestly you guys, it's something that I really love doing, and I want to share with you guys a lot more real estate content, and that's how to buy a property, how to rehab it, how to rent it, how to refinance it, and how to repeat it. Because by doing what I just said has made me over $1 million in net worth. Now I'm one of those things that are called cash poor, but asset rich, meaning my assets are worth a lot of money, there's not a lot of loans on them, and cash wise it goes down. And that's mostly because we spend our money on race cars, but it's never a bad thing because you're always doing what you enjoy, and that's what I want you guys to do, is do something that you guys truly enjoy and a way to pay for it, because that's what it comes down to, because you need money whether you're born, live, and unfortunately you need money to die. So money is very important, and that's something for 2023 I want to share with you guys. Is I want to go into a lot more of financial intelligence, because let's face it, when I was growing up in school, they don't teach you about passive income, royalties, rental properties. They don't do that kind of stuff. They don't teach you about the tax write-offs that real estate has, the depreciation that it goes against your net income and your gross. They don't do stuff like that. And if it's something I can share with you guys, not just cars, but hopefully you guys could yourself one day get passive income where you could buy a Supra, you could put on bigger turbos, you know, and you can just live a little bit more comfortable than you are right now. Because believe it or not, when I made this channel, it wasn't going to be about cars. I swear it was not going to be about the cars that we have or what I do. It was actually going to be teaching guys about financial intelligence. And if you guys look at my old videos, it's how to buy a rental property. Some really horrible ones, I'm sorry. But if I can slip in some stuff on how to buy a rental property, I think you guys might truly enjoy it. And you'll learn something, and you'll know the process. The process of what I went through, and stuff that, well, you guys shouldn't do, because I've already made the mistakes of doing them. For example, like losing $7,000 to a contractor with one leg. He took all my stuff, you know. I want to show you guys what not to do as well. So along with that, here's the goals for 2023. One, we're going to be shooting for a 9-second pass in this car. It should have been 9s, but because I'm a horrible driver, that's why this car hasn't hit 9s yet. We're going to be having to replace a whole bunch of drivetrain parts because we're going to blow them up like always. Now, as far as the Supra, we're obviously going to be maintaining it, driving the crap out of it, making some videos on it. Also, we finally put up decorations this year. Oh, after like 8 years. Another goal that I have is I want to hit $1,000 more in passive income, and I honestly think I'm going to finish that and hit that goal after I finish up another apartment where I could then increase rent, and it's going to be upwards of $1,000+ a month. Now obviously that's stuff I want to share with you guys on how to do it, how I did it, and obviously what you're not supposed to do. So real fast, let's go over a quick review of all these cars. First up, our 97 GSX. Obviously we're putting the turbocharger on. It's almost ready to start up. We got a whole bunch of miscellaneous coolant lines, oil lines we got to fix up. Obviously it's going to be a monster when it's also done. We're also going to need a T-case, but it starts and drives technically when the turbo gets done. We're going to be doing the oil change because this thing is over like 2,000 miles over the oil change. Honestly, oh man, I feel horrible about this, but you know, we've been driving the crap out of it, and honestly, it doesn't deserve this, but it's been doing great. The 2004 Chevy Duramax, you guys know we did a brand new motor on this thing, and honestly, this thing's a freaking workhorse. This is what I use to transport all my material for the properties. Arizona hasn't been nice, but the new motor, it's fantastic. Leaks a little bit of oil, but I ain't worried about that because it's a workhorse. Our 97 GSX, which sits right here, well, it's still not here. The 02 Acura RSX, obviously with a flat tire. This thing has been old, reliable, no matter what. This thing always starts. And actually, we've been driving it around with some pliers in the wiper cowl. And again, Arizona has not been nice. The K20 is running so strong in this car. 95 GST. This car I bought kind of for a flip, but I didn't really finish it, and unfortunately, it's locked, but it has 73,000 miles on it. Haven't touched it once in over a year. Well, I just haven't had time. So those lights though, but it's a super sick car, you guys. It only has 70-something thousand miles, and it's not really original because it's all been modified, but it's super clean, super cool. And it got some Willwoods on these things. It's crazy. Next up, 08 Duramax. This thing has just kind of been sitting here. It's one of our other workhorses that I use. It's been running great. It has a couple of oil leaks, which kind of sucks. Like again, I haven't had time to fix the oil leaks. Also, the steps won't go back in. It's been doing that for a while. Something about black paint though, it's so freaking nice, especially when it's clean. Obviously it's dirty right now. Now, one of my favorite cars, which is my girl's car, is our 2008 Evo X. This thing is a freaking monster. It's always in the garage. You finally took it out of the garage right now because we're going to do an oil change on the Supra. The Evo X has a GT30 76R Garrett turbocharger that's running about 28 pounds of boost. The problem with this car, guys, it has a tune by me, and it's not the best tune, so it kind of pre-detonates a little bit, but the car itself is freaking sick. I want to put it on method injection, kind of like the gray GST. That would be sick. This car is so clean though, except for that guy. I miss the gray GST. It's just like missing. So speaking of that, that is goal number like 20, is we're bringing the gray GST back, and hopefully we can replace the turbocharger with the rebuild kit, get it going, get it on methanol injection again, because that car was absolutely fun. That's kind of what one of my first videos was of that car. Which if you guys go look at my old videos again, you'll see it. It's an amazing car. 2023 is gonna be so much fun. The 2022 was a dream because you guys made it a dream. And I want to say thank you to all of you guys, to all my subscribers, all you guys mean the world to me, and I appreciate you guys so freaking much. You guys are awesome. Also, we're gonna be trying to be posting 2 videos a week, but you know, until some of these properties get done, we might have to stick to 1 video a week, which kind of sucks. But I've been putting in like 10-hour days doing a bathroom, kind of remodeling one of our properties, making it nicer so we can rent it out for a lot higher rent. Well, that's kind of what I've been doing in my spare time. Well, majority of my time. My spare time, I'm trying to get this thing running. I'm actually doing tile right now, and my hands, my phalanges, they're not feeling too good, man. It hurts. This was just a little update, and like I said, I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. You guys are the real ones. You guys are awesome, amazing. I can't thank you guys enough. You guys are why I make YouTube videos. You guys make me so happy when I see the comments, you know, the love, the hate, it doesn't matter. I love communicating with you guys and answering your guys' questions because, you know, I started YouTube as kind of you know, I wanted to teach. I wanted to teach people about financial freedom and passive income and real estate and rental properties and how to quit your job. But it just turned into something about cars because obviously I love cars and I can't get enough about them. I mean, I eat, sleep, and breathe the race field. That's who I am, and I want to share it with you guys. And hopefully for 2023, we're gonna have some exciting memories. So just like that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Welcome to 2023. We'll see you later. Bye. Now, one of the goals for 2023 is finally replacing the oil on our overdue Supra. Oh, sweet Jesus, it's so overdue.